The pandemic is having an impact on virtually every kind of profession, but law firms, particularly personal injury law firms, are now using technology as a way to keep serving clients. Jeff Davis with the Davis Law Firm says while personal injury cases have slowed down a bit, mainly because, well, there's been less traffic out there, he says mediations and settlements are still happening thanks to online tools like Zoom and DocuSign.
That the lawyers that work with Davis Law Firm are really continuing to work for the clients, and not only did we settle those cases, but we've gotten the paperwork done, and we've been funded.
And Davis says he is working with local officials to try to figure out the best way to start up civil jury trials once again.